Hey my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I'm hoping by the end of it you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you are notified when I upload and I do unboxings. As you can see, I have this big box. It is Boxycharm Luxe. This is my PR box. We're going to go through this today and you're going to tell me what you think down in the comments, and I'm going to look forward to talking with you there. So let's see if this month is worth it. All right, so this is quarterly, and quarterly it's almost $60 I think now, but don't quote me. I will put the actual total on the screen, or the actual price on the screen. Okay, so we've got our card. And then I think you get up to 8 products, I think, with BoxyLuxe. And it's a combination of lifestyle, skincare, makeup, and beauty tools. Okay, so we've got a big card. All right, we've got variation. Whoa. That can't be right. 22, 12, and then 405. I don't know. Okay, let's just see what's in here. And we've got some pretty decent things. Okay, I'm gonna start with this because this was new and I'm quite kind of surprised to see it in here. This is by Ouai. It's called the Prism. It has a $54 MSRP. And it says it's powerful and elegant. Its fragrance is cool and sweet with fresh notes of pear and iced berries and an undertone of vanilla. So yeah, this is a new brand to Boxy, and it absolutely is just as it described. You can smell a hint of vanilla in here. And actually, I'm wearing it. I think that it's pretty and it's light. I do like the cute little packaging. Simple but elegant. So yeah. Let's see what else we got. Okay, now I have not seen Maui Beauty in a while. And I definitely don't know if this is a new palette. I'm pretty sure it would probably say it on this card. This palette has a $45 value. Okay, now I did not use this palette yet. I definitely will, probably in a separate tutorial. But let me show you what she looks like. It's standard, it's got a mirror, these are the shades. I do think this is pretty stunning. There's way more shimmers than there are mattes. There's like 3 mattes in here and 4 mattes, and the rest are shimmers. And I'll tell you what, it's looking pretty good. Definitely. Let's just swatch. This is After Hours. Whoa, okay. Black tie event. Okay, I'm almost sold here. Ooh, can you guys see it? There it is. That's super pretty. Okay, not bad. All right, so let's move on and see what else. Okay, by Gods, the Weekend Glow Challenge. There are 2 face masks in here. It says it has one for Saturday and one for Sunday, which obviously you can use it whenever you want to use it. But I think that this is neat. I don't like sheet masks, I'll be honest with you, but I'm definitely going to use these. I kind of feel like, especially since things are getting cold, you really need to take care of your skin, and I'm thinking that obviously a sheet mask will definitely help. Let me tell you what the value is. $40. Wow, that's $20 a piece. Okay, so let's move on. By One Size Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. I did try it. It's not bad. It kind of almost feels like not quite a lotion, but not quite a primer, if that makes sense. That is what it looks like. And it definitely has some blurring effect to it. I know you guys can't see that, but it feels super soft. And it definitely, after I exfoliated and I used this, I was like, okay, my skin feels kind of good. I did get this in Trend Mood a while back, and I didn't give it a fair shot. Let's put it that way. Now I'm kind of like, okay, I like this. This is decent. All right, so let me tell you what the value is. $30. Okay, then we have by Herbivore Cloud Jelly. I just kind of think that is such a silly name. And it reminds me of like a pink milk that I got at one point in time, but this is what it looks like. It is just, it doesn't really have a good scent. Yeah, I had to make sure. I did smell it. I did use it. It's okay. I mean, it just felt like it wet my skin. It really didn't feel like it was doing much, which is probably a good moisturizer for oily skin, I would think. All right, so let me tell you what the value of that is. If I find it, $48. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. Okay, next, and I thought this was going to come out bad when I sprayed it, but Dear Midnight, this here is a setting spray as a $30 value. It's lightweight, alcohol free. Yeah, that's true. It is lightweight. It is alcohol free. Well, you know what I'm saying. The scent is not bad. And when I sprayed it, it's an even mist. It's not one of those where you get a big glop over here and a big glop over here and you're like, oh, is that gonna mess up my makeup? You know what I mean? So it worked out pretty well. I'm kind of excited about it. All right, let's move on. What else? Oh, now this is kind of like jelly. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, $23. This is brow freeze. But I did try it. Let me show you what it looks like. It's just like jelly. It's very sticky, but then it doesn't dry sticky, and it definitely helped. I will say that. So I do like Anastasia products, but I have been wanting to try the brow freeze, and I thought it was going to be like hard wax, but it's totally not. So I definitely recommend it. All right. What do we have left? It is Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint Long Wear Fluid Lip Color, $26 value. I really like the packaging. The color is stunning. It is on my lips. I want to show you the wand. Now, the only thing with this is that after it dries down, it does smear if you go to smudge it. So you're going to want to be careful with that. But I like it. I think it is super pretty color. I want it to stay on my lips, you know? All right, I think that's everything. Okay, so let's recap. We've got the Fenty Beauty lip stain. Don't know why she really calls it, or a lip paint. I don't know. Maybe she's trying to compete with About Face lip paints. I don't know. Anyhow, so there's that. There is the Wake Heart Prism perfume. The Dear Midnight setting spray. The One Size Secure the Blur primer. The Anastasia Brow Freeze. The Herbivore Cloud Jelly serum. And then the Dew with the Gods sheet mask. And then the Maui Beauty palette. So that's everything, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's everything. I will put the total value of this box on the screen. Usually I'm like, when they put a perfume in there, but here's where I'm at in my life. With subscription boxes and saving money, I am looking for diversity when it comes to this stuff. And I really am enjoying the fact that we've got, you know, the Brow Freeze, which is not really makeup, but it's definitely something that you could use for your brows, a part of your routine, all of that. Got an eyeshadow palette. I got a perfume, which I'm not mad at. I'm kind of really enjoying that lately, and the scent is really nice. And then we've got like the sheet masks that definitely we need to take care of our skin. I do get worried about dry skin. It can be a pain in the butt, especially if you're trying to put makeup on. You do not want your skin to be dry at all. So I'm kind of enjoying this. Now the jelly serum, I'm pretty sure I could do without. But then we have the primer. These are all things that right now I'm looking to use. So I'm kind of happy. Now I do want to know what you think down in the comments below. I am enjoying my boxes. Are you enjoying your boxes? Did you get Luxe? Are you going to have FOMO? You gotta tell me all about this down in the comments. I cannot wait to talk to you there. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch us unboxings. If you enjoy unboxings, would you subscribe? I love doing unboxings. Right now, it's just Boxycharm for me and my own subscription. I haven't decided if I'm doing a box this month yet or not. I will let you guys know that in a separate video. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to talking with you down in the comments and seeing you in my next video. Bye!